Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered why some people stay happy, productive, and successful every day? The secret often begins in the first hour after they wake up. Stay with me until the end, because today I'll share how I start my day, and these simple habits can help you improve your life, your English, and your confidence. I'll start with Chapter 1. Chapter 1. I wake up with gratitude. Every great day begins with a great morning. I believe that the way we start our day has a powerful effect on everything that follows. That is why I always try to wake up early. When I wake up before the world becomes busy, everything feels peaceful and quiet. The fresh morning air, the soft sunlight, and the silence around me make me feel calm and happy. Instead of rushing out of bed, I take a deep breath and smile because I know I have been given another beautiful day to live, learn, and improve myself. The first thing I do is not check my phone. Many people wake up and immediately start looking at social media or reading messages. I choose something different. I spend a few quiet moments thanking God for giving me another day. I thank Him for my family, my health, my opportunities, and the chance to become a better person. This simple habit fills my heart with gratitude. It reminds me to focus on what I already have instead of worrying about what I do not have. Remember this powerful truth. A good morning creates a good day. After expressing gratitude, I drink a glass of water because my body needs water after many hours of sleep. This simple habit helps me feel fresh and active. Then I make my bed. Some people think making the bed is not important, but I believe it teaches discipline. It is the first small task I complete every morning, and it gives me a feeling of accomplishment before the day has even started. Next, I open my window and take in the fresh morning air. I enjoy listening to the birds singing and watching the sun slowly rise. These quiet moments help me clear my mind and prepare for the day ahead. Instead of filling my mind with stress, I fill it with peace and positive thoughts. I also spend a few minutes thinking about my goals. I remind myself why I work hard and what kind of person I want to become. This keeps me motivated even when life becomes difficult. I believe every new sunrise is a new opportunity to improve, learn something valuable, and move one step closer to my dreams. Many people believe success begins with big opportunities, but I believe success begins with small morning habits. Waking up early, being thankful, drinking water, making your bed, and starting the day with a positive attitude may seem like small actions, but together, they build a strong foundation for a successful life. Every morning gives us two choices. We can wake up with complaints, or we can wake up with gratitude. The choice we make often decides the kind of day we will have. But starting the day with gratitude is only the beginning. The next step is taking care of both the body and the mind because true success requires both strength and knowledge. That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 2. I take care of my body and mind. After beginning my morning with gratitude, I believe the next important step is to take care of both my body and my mind. A healthy body gives us energy, and a healthy mind helps us make good decisions. We need both if we want to have a successful and happy life. That is why I never skip this part of my morning routine. Even when I feel tired, I remind myself that a few good habits today will make my future much better. I start with a few minutes of light exercise or stretching. Sometimes I go for a short walk, and sometimes I do simple exercises at home. I do not need an expensive gym or special equipment. I just want to wake up my body and improve my health. Exercise increases my energy, helps me feel fresh, and prepares me for the busy day ahead. While I am exercising, I breathe deeply and enjoy the fresh morning air. It makes me feel alive, confident, and ready to face any challenge. Remember this powerful truth. Healthy habits create a healthy future. After exercising, I take a shower. A fresh shower not only cleans my body but also refreshes my mind. It helps me feel more active and confident. Then I eat a healthy breakfast because I know my body needs good food to work well. I try to choose healthy foods like eggs, fruit, milk, bread, or oatmeal. A good breakfast gives me the energy to study, work, and stay focused throughout the day. I avoid skipping breakfast because I know it is one of the most important meals of the day. After taking care of my body, I spend time taking care of my mind. Every morning, I read a few pages from a good book, learn new English vocabulary, or watch a short educational video. Since I want to improve my English every day, I practice speaking, reading, and listening for at least a few minutes. I know I will not become fluent overnight, but small daily practice brings big improvements over time. I also believe that learning should never stop. Every new word I learn, every page I read, and every lesson I study helps me become a better version of myself. Knowledge is one of the greatest investments we can make because no one can ever take it away from us. These simple habits may seem small, but together they give me strength, confidence, and a positive attitude before the day truly begins. They remind me that success is not built by doing one big thing. It is built by doing small things consistently every single day. Now, my body is active, my mind is focused, and I feel ready to begin my work. But before I start working, there is one more habit that keeps me organized and helps me use every hour wisely. That habit is planning my day, and that is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 3. I plan my day for success. After taking care of my body and mind, I never start my work without making a simple plan. I have learned that a busy day is not always a productive day. Many people work hard from morning until night, but they still feel that they have achieved very little. The reason is simple: they begin their day without a clear plan. That is why I spend a few quiet minutes every morning organizing my day before I begin my work. I take out my notebook and write down the most important things I want to complete. I do not make a long list because too many tasks can become confusing. Instead, I choose the three most important goals for the day. These are the tasks that will bring me closer to my dreams. After writing them down, I decide which one is the most important, and I start with that task first. Remember this powerful truth: a plan without action is only a dream, but action with a plan creates success. Planning my day gives me direction. It helps me understand what needs to be done first and what can wait until later. Instead of wasting time thinking about what to do next, I already have a clear roadmap. This saves time, reduces stress, and helps me stay focused throughout the day. One habit that has changed my life is avoiding social media during my most productive hours. It is very easy to lose 30 minutes or even 1 hour by scrolling through videos and posts. Those minutes may seem small, but they add up quickly. I remind myself that my dreams are more important than temporary entertainment. After completing my important work, I can always relax without feeling guilty. I also leave some extra time in my schedule because unexpected things can happen. Sometimes a new opportunity appears, or a problem needs my attention. A flexible plan helps me stay calm instead of becoming frustrated. I have learned that planning does not mean controlling everything. It means preparing yourself to use your time wisely. At the end of each day, I look back at my list and check the tasks I have completed. Even if I finish only 2 out of 3 goals, I feel proud because I know I have made progress. Success. These simple planning habits have helped me become more organized, more confident, and more disciplined. They remind me that every successful day begins with a clear purpose and a focused mind. But there is one final lesson that connects all these habits together. It is the secret that turns ordinary mornings into extraordinary lives. And that is exactly what we will discover in the final chapter. Chapter 4. Small habits create a big future. As we come to the end of this journey, I want to share the most important lesson I have learned. Many people believe that successful people are different from everyone else. They think success comes from luck, talent, or special opportunities. But in my experience, success is built through small daily habits. The little things we do every morning slowly become the foundation of our future. One good habit may not change your life in a single day, but when you repeat it every day, it can completely change your future. When I wake up early, I feel peaceful and prepared. When I begin my day with gratitude, my heart becomes positive. When I exercise and eat a healthy breakfast, my body becomes stronger. When I learn English and read something useful, my mind becomes wiser. When I plan my day, I become more focused and productive. None of these habits are difficult by themselves, but together they create a lifestyle that leads to success. Remember this powerful truth: your future is created by what you do every morning, not by what you plan to do someday. I have also learned that change does not happen overnight. Many people become excited for 1 or 2 days, then they give up because they do not see immediate results. Real success requires patience. Think about planting a seed. You water it every day, but it does not become a tree in 1 week. It grows little by little until one day it becomes strong and beautiful. Your habits work in exactly the same way. Every healthy choice, every English lesson, every morning walk, and every completed goal is like watering the seed of your future. There will be mornings when you feel tired or unmotivated. That is completely normal. The important thing is not to be perfect. The important thing is to stay consistent. Even small progress is better than no progress at all. Every sunrise gives you another opportunity to improve yourself and become a better person than you were yesterday. So, if you want to change your life, do not wait for a perfect time. Start tomorrow morning with just one positive habit. Wake up a little earlier. Drink a glass of water. Read one page of a book. Learn 5 new English words. Write down your goals. These simple actions may seem small today, but 1 year from now, they can make a huge difference in your life. Always remember, great lives are built through small habits repeated every single day. Make every morning a fresh beginning, every day a new opportunity, and every habit a step toward the future you dream of. If you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Comment below, what is the first positive habit you will start tomorrow morning? I would love to read your answers. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember that every successful day begins with one positive morning habit. See you in the next video.